Hi guys, I'm Rayhane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful card holder. As you can see, I just used single crochet for this card holder. You can put your credit card or every card you have into this card holder. As you can see, we have two places to put the cards here. And I designed this card holder with flower crochet and leaf crochet. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful card holder. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. For first round, I make a slip knot like this. And then make 25 chain, 3, 4 until we have 25 chain. Now I have 25 chain and I make one more, and then into this part, as you can see, into this loop exactly here. Here, if you can see, we must make single crochet. So skip the first chain, and then in the next chain here in this part I'm going to make single crochet. Then again the next loop, next single crochet, and again the next back loop, next single crochet. So we need 25 single crochet into the next loop until we arrive in the first of the chain. Now I have 25 single crochet, and then I make just one chain, and in the first stitch we need just one single crochet. Again in the next stitch we need just one single crochet, and then again one single crochet until again we arrive here. Now I finish this round, and again I make just one chain, and here in the first stitch we need just one single crochet. Again in the next stitch we need just one single crochet. So in each stitch we need just one single crochet. Keep continuous this single crochet. Now I finish this set. As you can see, the size of base is 24 of this part and 9 of this part, as you can see. Now for the next step, I make just one chain and then put the hook here in this space and make just one single crochet. Then again put the hook here in the next hole and make just one single crochet. Again put your hook here and make just one single crochet. Next hole, next hole. In each hole we need just one single crochet until we arrive here. Now I make single crochet in each hole and I arrive here. In this corner we need 3 single crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. and then in the next hole, exactly here, we need just one single crochet. Again, in the next hole, we need just one single crochet. So when you arrive in the corner, you need 3 single crochet, and in each hole you need just one single crochet. So keep going until again you arrive here, then make 3 single crochet, and keep going until again you arrive here, make 3 single crochet, and then here make 3 single crochet. Now I make single crochet in each hole, and in this corner I make 3 single crochet, and then I arrive here. For next step, I make just one chain and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn between this stitch. For the next step, I cut the cardboard. The size of this cardboard is equal with credit card, so I put it here, and then I think this is perfect. And now I make a sign exactly here, and then again put this cardboard here, and then again make a sign here, this is good. Now I use a needle and the yarn to fix these 2 parts together. So exactly here I put the needle in this part, then make a knot, here we have a ring, put your needle here and make a knot like this, then cut this part of yarn, again put your needle here and then here between 2 stitches, again put your needle here, then here, so you must sew these stitches with these stitches in this part, then this part, and then here in this part and this part. Now I sew this part. As you can see, you can put your credit card here and here. So let's go to design this beautiful credit card back. For next step, I want to design this card holder. So put my hands here, and then in this space, for example, here I put the needle and make a knot, Now I have a knot. Then I do here, put my needle here like this, then put my needle here near the knot, and then here okay, then again put the needle here near the knot, and then near this part. Again put my needle here, and then here, and again here. So as you can see, we have 5 of this yarn. Then again put my needle here, and when we arrive here in the center of this line, I put my needle above of this part and under this part, again above of this part and under this part, now it is under this part. So for next step we must put the needle under this part, then up this part, above of this part, and under this part. Again under this part, as you can see, so above of this part and under, above, under. Again this is under, so it is above, under, above, and under. So we must keep continuous this set until we complete this line. Now I finished this flower, as you can see. So now I need a knot here under this flower. One more time. And then cut the yarn. You can make one flower or more, or change the color of this flower. I make another flower here, but this is smaller than this. Then I use the green color of yarn and try to make leaf between these two flowers. For first step again, I make a knot. And then put my needle here, like this, and then put my needle here, then here, you can cut this yarn. Again, put my hook here, and then here, and try to make some leaf. As you can see, we have this V shape. We need some of them here between this line. Again, I try to make a V shape here. Put my needle here, then in this part. This is a little hard, but don't worry. Again, put the needle here, and then here in this part. Yes. So keep continuous this V shape until you arrive here. Now I finished this flower and leaf. You can make more of them here or anywhere you like it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, press like in this my video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, put your question in comment part. I will answer to you. Thank you.